Okay. Okay, so move. Welcome back to Yoga with Goga Pick of the Week. This week we are going to do a very gentle twisting posture. We are going to do what we call the Bharadvaja twist. Hey, yeah, I have a guest here. Yep. Okay, Moiraine, I'm going to do a video here. Okay? Okay, move. We'll do the video together. Yeah. So we are going to do like the twist. So find a mat, get ready. Let's do this. Okay? Maureen, let's go. Feel free to get props. I'm going to get a bolster, maybe some books, just to make the posture a bit easy. So on your mats, get ready. Let's do this. The asanas are the epitome of strength, beauty, grace, and maybe some occasional weirdness. Namaste, Yogi. My name is Goga, kinda like yoga. In the last year, I have shared with you foundational postures in yoga. Today, my mission is to usher you into the world of advanced postures. It is what yoga postures become when they grow up. Enjoy the practice. Today's posture is a step up of the heroes and the half spinal twist from last season. We are going to start in half lotus. Half lotus, you come into half lotus this way. You're trying to keep your feet on top of your hip crease. It can be the left, it can be the right. It's not exactly easy, so feel free to support the knee on top of a block or a bolster so as to lift the knees to be on the same level as your hips, so as to get that straight line or get it down like that. Okay, so I'm going to put my left foot in hero's pose, and then once I have this, I'm going to place the right foot into half lotus, and then we are going to turn. Then I'm going to slide my left palm under the right knee. Feel free to keep it on the knee as much as possible, and then I'm going to grab my right foot with my right hand across the back, and then I'm going to take a twist, trying to keep the spine long and straight, then gaze towards the back and stay here for about 5 deep breaths. Deep Ujjayi yogic breaths, empty. With every exhale, so that you can elongate the spine by lifting the sternum and twist a little bit deeper, keeping the shoulders on the same line. Last deep breath in. Exhale. And gently start turning your head first towards the front. Release that left hand. Release the one that was twisting across the back, and then release that foot down. You feel a sensation at the back of the knee. We are going to do the same action on the other side. So again, bring the right foot now on hero's pose, and then place the heel literally behind, next to the right buttock, and then bring the left foot in half lotus. So naturally again, I already have my knee down on the ground. Then see whether you can grab the left foot across the back with your left hand. Feel free to slide that right hand again under the left knee. Otherwise, feel free to place it on the knee if it's too much, and then find your twist, taking 5 deep yogic breaths. Inhale, exhale, fill up, empty, inhale and exhale. Feel free to relax your head by facing the side if it's too much. Last deep breath in, exhale, then gently release the posture by turning your head fast. Release that foot. Oof. You can shake it out just to get rid of any sensations you're feeling probably at the back of the hamstrings. So this posture can also be modified. So you can start by swinging the feet on one side, placing the top foot literally in hero's pose, and then you place it on the other lower foot arch, and then so that you can find a twist. Again, you want to keep your spine elongated, and then you want to slide your left or right hand under the knee, and then maybe find a twist. And then another option, if it's too much to slide this hand under your knee, see whether you can take your hand across the back, so that you can grab your right or left hip crease, and then take your 5 deep ujjayi breaths at this point, inhaling in and out. Exhale. Fill up. Again, feel free to turn your head to one side if it's too much on your neck. It's perfectly fine. Exhale it out. Then slowly and intentionally release by turning your head fast. Again, this helps at least ease any pressure on your neck. You can use a block or a book just to be able to support your glutes, because usually you want your buttocks to be firmly pressed on the ground. You can also use a bolster, as I'm using a bolster or a cushion, just to be able to soften. And then again, you stay here, your 5 deep ujjayi breaths. Yeah, I've reduced. I'm going to stay here for a bit. Maureen and Zelda here keeping me company in this posture, and then gently release the posture. Another way you can modify this particular pose while still using a block or a book, you're going to do the full expression of the posture, is get a bolster or get a book or get a block. Ideally you want to use a block so that you don't end up reading a book. So you can get a book and then see whether you can find your half lotus, as we started earlier, take that hero's pose and then see whether you can find your half lotus while sitting on a bolster. Turn your head, for instance, in my case, I'm going to turn it towards the left, and then I say they can slide off. So you can either use a bolster or a book or a block here, just to be able to find that support, keeping both your glutes, in contact with the ground, especially if you find that maybe one buttock is hanging. Okay. Again, we're going to switch sides perhaps, and then see whether you're able to see the difference, while doing it on the other side. Again, if you can't slide that hand under the knee, feel free to just place it on the knee. It's perfectly fine. And then you take your 5 breaths. Try to keep the shoulders on the same line as much as possible as you are lifting the sternum up. Because ideally, you always want the shoulders to be on the same line. You don't want to round your back or maybe round your shoulders. And then gently release the posture. Maybe shake it out for a bit, because this can be very hard on the hamstrings. I'm done with the right side, so we're going to do the last round on the left side. So again, we start in Dandasana, then you bend your right knee, come into half hero's pose, and then take half lotus on the left foot, and then see whether you can take your left hand across your back and so that you can grab your toes. It's perfectly fine. If it's not possible, just do both feet. Then so that you can slide that right hand under the left knee and stay here for your 5 deep ujjayi yogic breaths, exhaling in and out. And then gently release by turning your head fast. Thank you guys for watching. That was the Bharadvaja's twist. Oof. It's a bit intense, but feel free to try this simple one where you take your feet on the sides. If you can't manage to get your feet in half lotus, this takes a bit of practice just to get the hips are flexible and open so that you're able to at least get that half lotus. Okay, so until next time, have a good time. I'll see you next week. Bye. Namaste. Whew.